Well, it took 3.5 years and lots of work, but the mobile studio stick patented by the United States of America. It says, the director of the United States Patent and Trademark Office has received an application for a patent for a new and useful invention. This is Andrew Lana. The requirements of the law have been compiled with it and has been determined that a patent on the invention shall be granted under the law. So here's the first page where it summarizes this and then goes over the drawings that have been submitted along with it. And this is my favorite picture because that's really what its main purpose is to make video production easy and capable from one simple package. I actually have a big bag of all the things that I purchased to do my research, and this represents at least a good $1,000 of, look at this right there under your chin. This one's called the Glide Gear. Yeah, I mean there's just everything you could think about to help steady the phone and make better videos. But out of everything in here, I couldn't find any one thing to do what I needed it to do. And what I needed it to do was just be very convenient and fast and easy, because video is been revolutionized. What used to cost thousands and thousands of dollars and be very expensive is now free. And it's not necessarily that this piece of equipment is going to make you better, but something like this. You're going to have to use something like this. And based on my research, at the time, this was the best solution to the problem. How do I create video quickly and easily? And so this all fits in one package, and there's a clamp and there's a telescoping post, and they go together. And it also breaks down to only be using the clamp and the phone mount up top. So that can be useful in tight situations like in the car and your visor. But it just clamps to any table, desk, or chair. You can clamp it down, okay, like this, and then extend it up to 4 feet. It's got a swiveling head at the top, so you can get many different angles. One of the better ones is when you tip it like that and extend it so that when you're walking on the streets, or maybe you're bicycling or skating, you can put the camera angle at the right position to capture you and the things that are maybe in your background. It's got some gaff tape on it. Comes with that because gaff tape is the #1 most used video production tool. And you can probably notice that you've got good audio from me, because video is really worthless unless it has good audio. And so part of this bag is a pocket for a microphone, and it's got a 3-foot extension and a microphone lapel that just plugs right into your phone. And that way you're never without good audio. The other problem that video producers run across is lighting. Now, right now I'm just using natural light that's coming in through the windows. But if I was ever recording at night or in a confined space like a basement or an attic, then I'm going to need light. And so Mobile Studio Stick comes with a light. And you just clamp it onto your phone so that the camera is in the middle of the circle, and then you can record well-lit video in any situation. So this really does the trick for me. There's no time when I wouldn't be able to use this, and that gives me ultimate flexibility to be able to go. And that's really the way that I saw my direction going as a business person, was that there was now unlimited methods to train unlimited amounts of people about the benefits of communicating with video. You can be all places everywhere instantly when you upload a video to the internet. One of the reasons I wrote this book, 3 Simple Steps to Selling on YouTube for Business. And if you record a video like this to YouTube, then it can be found by the person who needs this video the most. You've got to anticipate, what are they going to type in to the Google search engine or the YouTube search engine to want to learn about this, about whatever it is you specialize in. And now you can position yourself there and constantly be in service to people that need you the most. So I just wanted to break this down. It's been quite a journey, share this with you. And unfortunately, I don't sell this just as a product on its own. I realize that the real value is in the knowledge or the marketing training or the video training. That's what's priceless, really. That's what you can scale and what you can use as a tool to invest in your business, which you really can't put a price tag on it. Because if you can automate something, or if you can scale your business using video, then your ability to make money is really endless. So I don't sell this as a product on its own. I give it away free as a part of my premium trainings. Video leadership, video marketing, video training. These are all video services that you can apply in your own organization right now that can really make a much bigger impact than any tool or device that you buy. This is just my way of giving you an easy button, because I know you're going to need to use something. And for the research and development that I've done, this is the absolute least expensive, most fully complete video production studio in the world. And so, at the end here, I think I'll just give credit to one more person who's got an event coming up. His name's George Carroll, and his event is called The Greatest Year of Your Life. He helped inspire me to create this product, and I'm patented now, George. Thanks for your coaching and your training, man, because it's really meant a big difference to me. And if you're somebody who's looking for inspiration, definitely invite you to go check out his website, gyOYL.com. And if you've got any questions for me, just type my name into the Google search engine, Anthony Prichard. You'll have all the resources right there at your fingertips. And I'm available as well if you'd like to just reach out and talk to me. I'm happy to hear your ideas and see what your thoughts are for applying video in your business.